when it comes to mortgages, there is a thing called asset depletion. And in this video, I'm gonna break down what that is and a lesser known hack on a mortgage program that only we offer that may keep every single income denial from ever happening. So asset depletion, without boring you, the short answer is this. It's going to be somebody who is or isn't of retirement age, and then depending on where the asset is, a 401k, an IRA, investment accounts, a savings account, you can divide that asset over a specific length of time, and that income can be used for the mortgage, right? This helps many times with a retired person who maybe only gets Social Security, but has a couple $1,000,000 in their IRA. We can use that to help them qualify. Again, this is a vague explanation because it depends on your specific situation. So reach out to me if you're needing a mortgage and you're in this spot, and we'll walk you through it, okay? So that's conventional loans. This does not exist for FHA or VA loans. Now, here's the hack that we offer on mortgages that I don't know of any other lender that offers. And it's an asset depletion add-on to all of the crazy mortgage types that are out there. DSCR loans, bank statement loans, 1099 loans, all of those things. And here's why it's beneficial. Let's say you're buying a rental property and you're doing a DSCR loan, and the property may not rent for how much you needed to for it to get approved. You could add an asset depletion part onto that. And on this program, it's much more aggressive than even the conventional loans because the shorter term is shorter, or the calculation term is shorter. So maybe 5 years, something along those lines, okay? You're doing a bank statement loan and the business doesn't bring in as much money as you need to qualify for the home that you want, but you've got a ton in assets. We can do a calculation to add on to it. And this is beneficial too because sometimes when you're dealing with asset depletion, maybe you don't have millions. You only have $500,000 or $300 or $200. Shoot, we can use that and help you qualify. Same for a 1099 loan. And so there's a million different scenarios where an asset depletion can help you get approved for the mortgage. And on this last example that we offer, look, this should keep any one of those loans from ever getting denied based on not having enough income if you've got some assets. All right, so a lot of things to keep in mind. Some of it depends on your age, what accounts these assets are in, the amount of time it needs to be calculated to see how much income you can use in the file, right? These are all things to reach out to me for, but I want to give you a short summary on what it was. And stick around for this next video. I think you're gonna like it.